Carrot oil is an essential oil rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A and vitamin E. It is designed for body glowing and to maintain the skin. It promotes body lightening, body hair growth, removes dark spots and clear skin infections. Here is how to make your own carrot oil at the comfort of your home. Carrot. Olive oil. The olive oil can be organic or the usual bottled one. Hand grater. Pan. Heater or stove. Wash and grate your carrot with your hand grater and put it inside a bowl. Pour your olive oil into your pan and put on fire. Reduce heat to lowest minimum. Pour your grated carrot into the oil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Cook it till you start perceiving the nice odor and color turns orange. Remove from fire and allow to cool. Next, sieve out the oil with a sieve. Lastly, pour to a tin container and start using. Usage: start rubbing on skin twice daily to get lighter skin after a week.